Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these amazing do-it-yourself Christmas presents. So let's go through the materials first. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need are these sticks. They're 3/4 and I got them 4 feet, so we're going to cut these to size, but I got just a few of them. Make sure that they are 3/4. You're going to need a nail gun or a staple gun. You're also going to need Christmas lights, any mesh material or transparent material. I got this mesh material. For this tutorial, we're going to be making green, so make sure to get green lights. So obviously if you're making red, get the red lights. If you're making blue, get the blue lights. You're going to need scissors, any type of ribbon. You need a measuring tape so you can cut these to size, a bow, and Santa for support. All the materials will be in the description box below and where to buy them. Okay, so now that you know the materials, let's go ahead and start cutting these to size. So right now I'm measuring it. I'm doing 18 inches because the boxes will be 18 by 18 inches tall. Okay, so I cut everything to size. This is 18 inches, all of them, right? With the leftover, I got 12 inches left over. So I'm gonna use those standing up here. And then I'm going to add that box on top of it. So it's gonna look a little shorter, but that's totally fine. So after you cut your pieces, make sure to put them together. You can use a nail gun or use a bracket or staple gun it like I will. Make sure to put 3 of them on both sides, and it's pretty sturdy itself. It looks good just like that. Okay, so we just stapled it together already and it's pretty stable, so that's the great part. Okay, so we stapled the whole thing already, and the only difference is that this is all 18 inches and the legs are basically 12 inches. So I only used 5 pieces of the 4 feet. So let's go ahead and let's do the next step. So there's a few ways to do the lights. So you can wrap it around the wood, or you can put little hooks in here and just wrap it around. Okay, so this is what we did. We just wrapped the whole box and just the lights. So just like that. Next step is to add the mesh on top of it. And when you turn on the lights, it's just gonna resonate more because of the green. Okay, so we just added the mesh material. So there's a few ways to mount this. You could use a nail gun and just put it right here, right here, right here. Or you can do what we did. We just added baby zip ties just to hold it together. So there you go. Next step is to add the ribbon. Okay, so we just added the ribbon. So you go from here all around to this side. And same thing here. Here to here. And the thing is that instead of using zip ties or anything else, we used paper clips. They're right here. And for the last touch is the bow. Look how beautiful. Doesn't it look like a real Christmas gift? Let's turn it on since we're in the garage because we can turn off the lights. All right, this is the last touch to see if it actually works. So lights. Boom. Check it out. Just look at it. Isn't this the best Christmas gift out there? And it's huge. I love it. And see, you can tell the mesh material really helps resonate the green vibe. Love it. Let's go put it outside. Look at the box. It's so beautiful. I can't wait to do the other ones. I'm gonna put the blue one here and the red one right there. Then it's gonna be complete. All right, guys, so that's the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more Christmas do-it-yourself projects. And yeah, this is one of the easiest do-it-yourself Christmas present that you can add to your lawn. All right, guys, I will see you soon.